Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sandeep Kumar from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering.
Yeah, this is the topic is environmental management system and its application. And coming to the introduction to the environmental management system, an environmental management system is framework of managing environmental responsibilities. It helps to organization minimize their environmental impact while complying with regulations. The EMS environmental management system promotes continual improvement in the environmental performance or plan, do, check and the act. And the plan are goals and objective, and the environmental management plans and do is implementation and training and education. And coming to the check is monitoring internal or external audits, and the act are corrective and preventive acts and the management reviews. And coming to the key components of the EMS, are the main component of an EMS includes policy, planning, implementation, and the review. And organization establish an environmental policy that reflect their committee to sustainability. Planning involves identifying environmental aspects and setting objectives to improve the performance. And the EMS core are financial processing, retail operations, manufacturing, human resource management, planning and analytics, and the customer relationship management and budgeting, logistics and supply chain management, and the sales activities. And next is the benefits of implementing an EMS, or implementing an EMS can lead to cost saving through the efficient resource utilization. Organization can enhance their reputation by demonstrating environmental responsibilities, and the effective EMS can be helping achieving regulatory competence and the reducing legal risks. And ISO 14001 standard is the international standard for the environmental management system. It provides a structured approach for organizations to manage their environmental responsibilities, and the certification can be improve the stakeholders' confidence and the facilitate market accesses. And the planning phase involves identifying significant environmental aspects and the impacts, and the organization set measurable objective and the targets to improve their environmental performance. Risk assessment is conduct to identify the potential hazards and the opportunity for improvements. Our audit selection is strategy planning, knowledge of business, and risk assessment. And the planning is the knowledge of business, and the risk assessment audit focus, audit approach, audit objectives, audit criteria. And the examination is evidence collection, subject matter experts, and the consultation and the results analysis causes and effort analytics, and the reporting is conclusion and the recommendation, the clearance and the final report. And coming to the implementation phase focus on the executing the plan developed in the plan phase. Training and the awareness programs are essential to ensure the employee understanding and the engagements, and the effective communication strategies are crucial for success rollout of EMS initiatives. Are project planning and organization, and the pilot and mobilization and blueprinting and implementation. These are the three stages of implementation process. And coming to the monitoring and the measurement, monitoring and measurement enables organization to track their environmental performance. Key performance indicator KPIs are established to assess the program towards the objectives. The regular audits helps to identify non conformance and areas for improvements or input operations and the products. Next is management review. The management review is crucial for evaluating the effectiveness of EMS. Senior management plays a key role in the ensuring that environmental policy aligns with the organization goals. And continuous feedback and improvement are essential to adapt to changing environmental conditions. Our management review meetings or the management review meetings is crucial to implementation of effective QMs and preparation for review meeting can be laboratories can consider the conducting multiple management reviews such as monthly reviews. Each of these covers only the segments of inputs over the course of area. Here, this review would be address all the inputs and more frequency management reviews provides the opportunity for those assigned tasks for management reviews to report progress on completing the action assigned to them. And coming to the role of stakeholders is stakeholders are includes employees, customers, suppliers, and the communities. Engaging stakeholders is vital for the success implementation of EMS and the transparent communication, fosters trust and collaborations among all parties involved. And the financial context are leaders, stakeholders, local communities, and public decision making, and the authorities, society, and media, and opinion makers, and the operating and our business context are electricity and sector operations, business partners, suppliers, regulators of licensed activities, customers of NRAs, and the peoples in the organizations are the. And coming to the EMS in a industrial application, industrial heavily utilize EMS to manage waste and reduce emissions. Manufacturing facilities often implement EMS to enhance completions of environmental regulations. Cause the studies have shown significant reduce in the resource consumption and the waste generation. And EMS in the construction. The construction sector utilizes EMS to manage environmental impact associated with the projects. Strategies include with the waste management, pollution prevention, and the habitat production. Sustainable constructions practices can be promoted through effective EMS implementations. And environmental aspects are impacts are elements of organization activities, products, or services which can interact with the environment are the aspects. And coming to the environmental impacts are any changes to the environmental environment, whether adverse or beneficial or partial, resulting for an organization activities, product, or the services. And coming to the EMS in agriculture. Agriculture benefits from the EMS by promoting sustainable practices and resource management. Farmer can reduce the chemical usage and improve the soil health through EMS principle. And the approach support of the uh, conservation of biodiversity and ecosystem services. And coming to the EMS in service industries. Service industries such as hospital and healthcare can be also implement EMS. These organizations focus on the reducing energy consumption, waste, and the water usage. Implementing an EMS can be enhance the customer experience by showcasing sustainable efforts. And these are the hospitalities and tourist industries are example. Railways, hotels, and cafe bars and parks are the come under the hospitality and tourist industries or travel, lodging, food services, and the other services. And coming to the technology and EMS, uh, technology plays a vital role in the enhancing the effectiveness of EMS. Software tools can be facilitate data collection, monitoring, and the reporting. Advancement technology such as IoT can support real-time environmental monitoring. And coming to the challenges in implementations are organization may face the resistance to change when implementing an EMS, and the limited resources and expertise can hinder the effective establishment of EMS, and the balance economic objective with the environmental responsibility can be challenging. And these are some questions: how or where to start, and dealing with the data migrations, and integrity Salesforce with the other system, and competing with the implementation, incomplete requirements, training and adoptions for staffs or leadership, selecting right Salesforce implementation of partners. And this is the future trends in the EMS, or the future of EMS will be likely focus on the integrations with the other management system. Climate change adaptation and relations will be become key consideration for organizations. Increased stakeholders engagement with will trace the evolutions for EMS practices are adaptable and innovation, and innately safe, effective, and integrated and shameless, and the society equitable and sustainable and effective. And these are the case studies of successful EMS implementations. Are the case study of successful EMS implementation demonstrate measurable benefits. The organization achieved significant reduction in the energy use and the waste production, and the stakeholders engagement and playing a crucial role in the success of the EMS. And this is the conclusion: is an environmental management system is essential for sustainable organization practices. By systematically managing environmental impacts, organization can be enhance their performance, and continuously improvement and the stakeholders' contributions are key to success EMS implementations. I am previously tell the about the plans, our goals and the objectives, and the environment management plans. And coming to the do is implementations and the training education, and the check are the monitoring and the internal external audits, and the act is corrective and preventional acts and the management reviews. And this is the resource for the further learning is numerous resources are available for organization looking to implement an EMS, and some online courses or workshop and certifications can enhance the understanding and capabilities, and the professional organization provide a guidance and support for EMS development. And these are the category for some learning resources or resource type, or books, or some online sections or classes, or some activities done in our society. This is my video on environmental management system and and its application.